Apple Watch the 8th of May come with a faster chip and better activity tracking features, including sleep tracking that could detect advanced sleep patterns as well as routine. Apple officially sent out the launch invites last week for the Far Out event on the 7th of September. Now this event is going to feature the new iPhone, a 41 and a 45mm Apple Watch 8, a new 50mm Apple Watch 8 Pro, and we could even see the AirPods Pro make an appearance as well. Now the Pro version of the Apple Watch will have an updated design that Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has described as an evolution of the current rectangular shape. It's a more rugged and durable version and aimed at those who need more protection for extreme sports. We are getting one major new feature, which is a new temperature sensor. Now the initial reports were saying that this would only be used for cycle tracking. But I do have some good news. The latest reports are saying that we would be getting temperature alerts when it detects that your temperature is too high. According to Gurman, the S8 chip will feature the same specifications as the S6 and S7 chips. That means the chip is unlikely to deliver significant performance or efficiency improvements as the Apple Watch Series 7 chip. According to Shrimp Apple Pro on Twitter, both the 41 and the 45mm Apple Watch Series 8 are going to have no design changes at all. The Apple Watch 8 Pro also looks very differentiated from the standard model with the titanium casing and a large 1.99 inches display. The starting prices for the 41mm and 32GB will start at $399 and $449 for the 64GB model. Then 45mm will start $429 for the 32GB option and 64GB option at $479. Apple has changed the design of smartwatches last year, but this time there is one thing which will be different, that would be the colors. We are having less colors choices for the Apple Watch Series 8 than the last year in Apple Watch 7. We have a red midnight starlight and a new silver color is coming for the stainless steel models. But the titanium is not going to be an option for the standard Apple Watch 8. The Apple Watch Series 8 Pro, it's a bigger watch and it's also going to benefit from a larger battery capacity. And when it comes to the Apple Watch Series 8, we get an LTPO OLED display with 1000 nits of max brightness. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.